Can you copy me, please, by doing this? That's me tap there. Sorry?
I was going to take my hat off for a sec.
Uh-huh.
Right, so you recognise me maybe now, so I don't normally wear my hat here. Right, recognise me now?
Yay!
That's me.
That's better.
There I am. This is Trish. I'm Rosanna. And Eddie.
You know me, didn't you?
Can you give us a name?
Strong smell of sulphur.
Sulphur?
Don't usually get that here.
We've had alcohol and lavender.
Definitely alcohol and lavender.
Yeah, sulphur.
Somebody's had smell of like, how should we say, death hall and stuff like that.
Oh really?
But never had sulphur here.
Sulphur's a big thing. I've gone really like cold now.
I'm cold, I'm frozen.
It's like someone's hand's just gone down the back of my neck like that.
Mm-hmm.
Is that you doing that? There's an old, did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. All I can smell is your sweet.
Sorry.
No, I like the smell of it, I like it, but I can't smell anything else, that's all I can smell.
Mm.
Do you like, yeah, maybe they want a sweet. Maybe they want a sweet. Do you want a sweet? Oh, it's normal.
Oh,
Do you want a
bodacious.
If we could give you one, we would give you one. How about a drink? I swear I heard something then.
I will have to say that I did do this.
No, it wasn't
Nope.
that. No.
Okay, cool.
It's kind of a gruff sound.
Like to hear that sound, that voice.
It's when I said, do you want a drink?
I just went over a shiver there, so I went,
You got a shiver as well.
yeah. The strange thing about it is we haven't had the Sand and Huff this season yet. Not too much.
All right, yeah.
We used to have it, so that just like breath coming onto you. But I haven't had that at all this year.
I had that, I think, like a couple of years back when I came here. It's like, mine was cold breath. It felt like something cold here, but then it was warm this side. It was just like that.
It's amazing that when you get that.
Yeah.
We hadn't had it at all this year. The scent and sway has took over.
There's always something, isn't there?
Yeah, indeed.
Just my batteries, eh? How are you feeling, Trish? You get anything?
Yeah, really, I mean, I'm just really sort of icily cold.
It's definitely cold in there.
So you were warm in the chancel.
Did someone just go? Did someone just go like that?
Not that I realised, no.
That's just what I've heard. I know you said you felt icy cold, and I just heard this one.
Did you do that? That little
Yeah,
fly
it
was
was
just like.
I always think to myself, when you ask out, could you do that again?
Yeah.
I could always sort of imagine somebody going, "You want to do it again?"
You asked that of me.
I did it the first time.
Could you please do it again? Can you give us a sign that you hear? Any sign?
I just yawned there.
Sorry, Eddie?
I just yawned there.
Yawn.
Yeah.
I'm wondering, do I go up to the pulpit?
Hmm?
Shall I go and try and get some activity out the pulpit? Up there.
Uh-huh.
Shall I try
Yeah. Try and keep quiet as you're heading up there.
I'll grab my voice, my recorder.
Uh-huh.
So if I try and position this somehow, he will do that. You see? Can I speak? Yeah. Try and position it so you can see me up there. Which I think you can. Just. I think that's it.
Do you feel okay having the torch off in here?
Sorry?
Do you feel alright having the torch off in here?
I'm a bit nervous, but I'll do
Yeah.
it.
If you feel anything, just turn it on.
Yeah? I'll sit
Yes.
over there, and then...
If she sits near you, is that alright, Eddie? Because she gets nervous, bless her.
Ah, okay. It's just that you get more activity when the light is out.
Oh, no, you're indeed.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm alright. Just trying to position it. Should I call it? Or should we just try and position the pen? We'll get there.
Mhm.
There we go. I've positioned it
You
right.
done it?
Yeah. I'm going to take you towards you.
Oh! Hold on, step.
I didn't do it. You got that on camera, Eddie. I didn't do it.
Yeah,
Am I
what
safe to
happened?
sit there then?
What happened then?
I fell down the step.
Quiet as your head up. Ah, there we go. Should have me.
Show you, is that alright?
Yeah.
Tell me when you want to me to turn it
I
off.
may have to go over there. I think that's the best area because I won't be able to see Rosala from here. So I'm just going to pop over there if you want to come along with me. Or... Oh. Ouch. That's empty. Get in there. There we go.
I'm alright to use my torch going up the stairs, am I, Eddie?
Yeah.
Hang on, just a
I
sec.
don't want you
Yeah.
falling.
No. Right, so if I record myself, and then what, like
They
this.
do like playing with the actual cameras, zoom in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So I'm about to go into the pulpit, so I'm going to be quiet as I do this. Hope you don't mind.
No? I'll drag it, check to be about. There you go. Oh no, I'm red.
Well done.
There you go.
How do you feel about me standing here? Can you give me a sign? Anyone? Is anyone here? I've got a ringing in my left ear.
Sorry? You got what?
It's like a ringing sensation in my ear.
Yeah, that's typical.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like really ringing in there. Is that you doing that?
That's my tummy.
That was That's me. Trying to be quiet. Yeah, I feel really, I don't know, I don't feel safe up here. Almost like you're being judged.
Uh-huh.
Very judgy feeling.
When I go up top there, I always feel an immense amount of power.
Yeah?
Yeah, an immense amount of power.
Yeah. Reverend Kendall, is this your spot? Am I in your place? Really don't like that, do they?
You don't like it?
No, I just feel like that, like, you shouldn't be there.
Mm-hmm.
You shouldn't be up there. This is not your place. Is that right? This isn't my place.
I can honestly say there's a girl here a while back, and I was in the chancel,
Yeah.
and she said, "Hey, I'm going to go up in the pulpit," and you hear as I was in the chancel, you hear, "She better not," just like that, something in that sort of way.
I've just jumped in here.
And then when she stood just on the step.
Yeah.
Of the altar of the pulpit before going in,
Yeah.
and boy, she's cursing like mad.
Really?
Yeah, it's really, really good.
See, it's almost like, because obviously this is open, I don't like that. I feel like I'm going to be dragged out. So I'm just going to close this. I don't mean you any harm. I'm not here to take over. I'm just here as visiting, as a friend.
I feel you up there, you're taking his power.
Yeah, it's almost like I'm being judged on that.
Yeah,
And I'm not meaning to. That's not what I'm trying to do.
that's Easter Bain.
Yeah, I'm in the wrong place. This is not your place. I've gone so cold.
Cold.
Like my knees and they're just so icy right now.
It is very cold up there, I must admit, when you stand there, sort of like...
It is so icy.
Usually sort of drain down the back, you can feel it.
Yeah.
I've got an itch on my arm and I don't know why.
Oh. If you don't like me being out here, why don't you tell me to leave? And
That's me
get down.
not.
Can you tell me to get down? Or maybe give me a sign to get down? Can you knock or play with one of the lights?
Don't know what that was, whether it's an airplane or what.
Was that a key to get down? If that was, can you do it again? I feel like I can hear something.
That's a motorbike.
That's a motor, yeah.
Yeah. If you want Rosanna to come down, could you give a nice loud knock like this? Well, I guess you don't mind her being up there.
I'm quite privileged then, thank you. Can you play some music for us like you did before?
Is there an organ here?
Sorry?
Is there an organ?
No.
No.
No organs here. You thought you'd hear one?
No, I just
No.
wondered, that's all. I just wondered if there
No.
was one.
We haven't got any music at all here, anything that cause music at all.
Are you here with us?
Can you let us hear your footsteps, please? Nice loud footsteps, if you could, please.
Say your footsteps. I thought I heard something back in the chair.
You also, did you have something in your pocket? No, you haven't. You got your hand over there. Did you hear them popping sounds?
No?
Yeah, it's popping sounds. I thought that you'd got something you were rustling in your pocket.
Yeah.
No. I've got my hand here.
That was cool. Really good.
Can you walk through the aisle? Come and walk through the aisle?
That's me.
See, I feel like there's something. I feel like I can feel the energy of something. I just can't see anything or hear it right now.
It's a boom there.
I think that was my arm on here. Yeah, it's my arm.
Uh-huh. Sounds though seems to come from the chancellor.
Don't say that, Ellie.
But last week,
Yeah.
we were here, and I said at the end that we might not be able to get in because the key is
Yeah.
going to be put in.
Yeah.
And I said if we don't make it, then I'll see you sometime during the daytime.
Right.
I got the damn camera off, didn't I? You hear
Really?
boom from the altar.
Ooh. How do you feel about them stopping people visiting you? Do you want to be left alone? Surely you'll miss Eddie. He's come to see you lots of times.
And now I miss you.
There's a train coming in there. Yeah.
Yeah, it certainly is. That's the Norwich to Cambridge line.
Ah, right,
Yeah.
okay.
So you'll only have daytime visitors. How do you like that?
Feel okay, Trish?
Yeah, I'm okay, I'm fine. I'm just sort of listening and watching.
Felt like a rumble went through his pulpit. Almost like a vibration under my feet again.
Up in the pulpit, from up in the pulpit?
Yeah.
Cool.
Has that happened before, Ellie, or is it?
Anything can happen in this church. I always say about this church, anything can happen, it probably will.
I don't fancy levitating tonight. Can we not do that?
Good idea.
I've not got my fairy wings on tonight. Do you want me to get down from here now?
What's that popping sound
I know
again?
I can hear that now.
What on earth is that? That's right, it seems that's right in between us. Here we go again.
That wasn't me.
That wasn't you.
That wasn't me.
That's a nice old pop, wasn't it?
Yeah. I'm trying to stay really still.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Another pop. Tap.
Can you shut this door down here?
Are you still with us, Nicole? I'm just wondering if Nicole has latched onto you.
Yeah.
I wonder if Nicole has latched onto you.
Right.
Just sort of saying, yeah, I like you.